Hi there, it is Abdul Jalil here. Today in this video I'm going to share with you how to share files, videos, documents, music from your iPhone to your PC and from your PC to your iPhone. All these wirelessly without any wire, any USB connection, any app or software needed. So if you are ready, follow me. Let me take you through this step-by-step process. Now, as you can see, we are on my PC. So as I said, it is wirelessly, so it means you need to be connected to the wireless, the Wi-Fi. I mean, your phone and your PC must be connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. This Wi-Fi, they have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, now this is it. How to transfer photos, videos and music between iPhone and Windows PC. No iTunes or iCloud needed. Okay, the first is create a local user from CMD. Okay, that is what we are going to do now. Okay, let's start that one. You go to here, CMD, type CMD. You see it here, run as administrator. Okay, this is how to create your local user. Okay, net user, give it a name. Let's call it iPhone because we are doing iPhone connection. Okay, and give it a password. For this one I'll just use 1 2 3, simple, and add it. Okay, enter. You can see the command completed successfully. Okay, now we have created this one. Let's go and create our folder. Look at it. After that, you create a new folder and make it available for sharing. Okay, that is what we are going to do now. Okay, let's go to our desktop. On desktop here, if you want, you can create anywhere you want, not only desktop. Okay, now come down here, create new folder and call it with your local username, which is iPhone. We created iPhone. If you remember here, iPhone, so you call your folder the same name. Okay, now let's minimize this. Okay, now on the folder we are going to make it available for sharing. So you right click, you come down to properties, you go to sharing here, you share it, you look for the name. It was iPhone, so you add it, you give it read and write, which means receive. You can receive and you can also send. Okay, you read. Okay, after that you share it, you go to done. Okay, now come back to here, go to advanced sharing. You will see it, you share it from here. The iPhone is available here. You go to permission, you allow full control. You can make change and can also read and write. You can make change, you can read, you can write. Okay, so after that you go to apply. Okay, you go to apply again. Okay, after that you close this. Okay, this is done. It is done here. So the next thing, per our document, you can see after creating a new folder, look for your IP address from the CMD. Okay, now let's go back to the command prompt. Okay, now we are back to the command prompt. So how to see your IP? It is simple. Okay, write ipconfig. Okay, you look for this pipe, vertical pipe. You write find. What are you going to find? IP, capital I and capital P, version 4. Okay, you close it. So it means you want to find your IP. Okay, as you can see, my IP is here. My IP is here. So copy it and or write it down and put it somewhere. We are going to need it for next connection. Okay, okay, now we are done with our PC. Now we are going to our phone. Okay, let me show you my phone. My phone is here. So how are we going to do the connection? First things first. Okay, now look for this icon or this fast here. From here, click on it. If you click on it, it will come like this. You go to this circle with 3 dots. Go there and come here, connect to server. So now the IP address you saw there, now you are going to copy it and put it here. That is your server. Okay, in my case it started with 192 dot. So you write the rest. Okay, after that you come to connect. You connect it from here. So connect as what? Are you a guest or are you a registered user? In our case here, we are registered users. So what is the name? The name is, we specify was iPhone. Okay, you write the password, which was 123. Okay, so now after that you go to connect next. Go to next. It is connected. You can see the iPhone folder is here. The iPhone folder we created, if you remember, we created iPhone folder. Okay, let's click on it. Let's click on the iPhone folder. You can see it is empty. Okay, now let's start doing transfer from our phone to our desktop. So we transfer here, we send it to the folder, we collect it, or we take it from our desktop. Okay, let's go back. Let's take anything from here. Let me take some pictures from my iCloud, which is on my phone. Okay, copy it. You can see copy is here, is down here. Okay, let me copy it. Because it is downloading, because it is on my iCloud. I can use any file. This is a document, a PDF document. Okay, let me see if I can get a picture that can load faster on my phone. Okay, I have this picture here, which is You can see you copy it from here. Let me copy it. Okay, now let's go back to my shared. Okay, this is the iPhone here. Click on it and paste it. You can see I have it here. I have the file I just copied. Now it is in the iPhone folder. Okay, now let's go to my folder, the iPhone. As you can see, it is here. The folder, the file or the picture I shared. Okay, let's close it. Let's minimize it, and let's go back to our let's take something. Let's do the vice versa. Take something from here to share and copy it from our phone. Okay, let's go to the iPhone folder. Okay, let's paste this here. Click and paste. Okay, it is pasting. It is done. Okay, now let's go to our phone and see it will be here. Let me go back and come back again. It is here. So as you can see it here. This is my phone here and this is my desktop. You can see the two files or the two pictures I pasted from my phone are here. img2371.jpg, img2371.jpg. You see this one, png ring, the same thing here. So you can see we are done with it. It is simple. Just follow the document I shared. I'll share it. You create your local user. After that, you create a new folder. After that, you look for your IP as I did. Link your phone to the folder. After that, you share your files. So I think it is simple. It is not too difficult to do. So I think this is the end of the video. You can try it, and if there is anything you want me to clarify on, just leave it in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video, and if you have enjoyed it and learned anything from it, give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel if you are new here, and also leave comments for others to learn from. Thank you very much. See you next time.